Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a Grammarly report so you can track your writing progress, share detailed feedback with your team, or keep a record of your document's accuracy in 2026. Let's get into it. First, insert a picture-based smart art graphic. Instead of dragging images manually, we're going to use a pre-built structural template that does the heavy lifting for you. Click on the Insert tab at the top and select Smart Art. In the pop-up window, click on the Picture category in the left sidebar. Choose a layout like the Picture Accent List or Tiled Picture List and click OK. In 2026, Smart Art isn't just for flowcharts. The Picture category provides dedicated placeholders that automatically crop and scale your photos to fit a specific geometric design. This ensures your collage looks symmetrical and professional without you having to resize every single image by hand. Next, insert your photos into the placeholders. Now that you have your frame, it's time to fill it with your favorite memories or project photos. Look for the small picture icons inside the Smart Art boxes. Click on an icon, select From a File, and pick your image. Repeat this for every placeholder in the graphic. If you need more spots for photos, simply click a box and press Add Shape in the Smart Art Design tab. This is the magic of Smart Art. In 2026, when you insert an image this way, Word automatically fits the photo into the shape. You don't have to worry about one photo being larger than the other. The Smart Art engine keeps the proportions consistent across the entire collage. Lastly, customize the layout and colors. Once your photos are in, you can tweak the overall aesthetic to match your brand or the specific vibe of your project. With the Smart Art selected, go to the Smart Art Design tab in the top ribbon. Click on Change Colors to apply a coordinated color scheme to any text or border elements. You can also hover over the Smart Art Styles gallery to add 3D effects or polished bevels. In 2026, visual consistency is key. Using the Change Colors tool ensures that any accent lines or text boxes in your collage match perfectly. Applying a Smart Art style, like the polished or cartoon look, adds a layer of depth that makes the collage look like it was created by a graphic designer rather than just put together in a word processor. And that's pretty much it. To make a collage using Smart Art in 2026, set your page to landscape, go to Insert, then Smart Art, and pick a layout from the Picture category. Simply click the icons to insert your images, use the Smart Art Design tab to customize the colors and styles, and finally scale the graphic to fill your page for a perfectly aligned finish. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.